That is our creamy garlic butter chicken pasta made. That is sensational. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, a simplistic, easy, very tasty meal. We've got chicken, we've got parmesan, we've got some cream, we've got garlic. We're making a creamy garlic butter chicken pasta dish. Absolutely sensational, on the table within 30 minutes. Come on, in here, pan of boiling water, and I'm just going to go in there with some salt. Salt up your water, and it's pasta of choice today for me, spaghetti. In the boiling water, and you just leave it to do its own thing. It will soak in and disappear. I'm going to shove this on behind me while we crack on at the front. At the front then, we've got some garlic. Now I like garlic, and I'll probably put in the recipe 2 or 3 cloves, but I've got a little bit more there, look, but they're only tiny. So we're going to give those a mincing. It's very straightforward. You can use a mincer if you want fine, but you know, it's a garlic dish, so garlic is in here. So just give it a mince over, any which way that you normally do. Nice and steady, and as big as small as you like. On there. This has to be one of the easiest pasta dishes to make, to be quite honest. Just move that. Right, we've got some chicken breasts here. I don't want the skin. The skin will go for another job. And just check them over. Take off the rubbish that you don't want, and we want to dice up our chicken breast. Quite decent bite-sized pieces. Nice and straightforward. I think we've got about enough there. A couple of people. That'll do nicely. Okay, this is a butter dish today. Now you can use oil, but we are making a butter pasta in there with some butter. Oh, there's a thump down in there. And I've got a little bit left in this one. That'll do. Get your butter starting in there, and we're chucking the chicken straight in. Salt and pepper. Cook the chicken. Chicken in. We're going to season the chicken in there as it's cooking. No point seasoning it before, it's got to go in the pan anyway. A little bit of sea salt in there. Salt and pepper to taste, obviously. A little bit of pepper in there. Cook it off in there with that butter. Lovely. Now it's not a cheap dish, it's a quick dish. Well, it is cheap depending where you live. Some people can get Parmesan cheese very cheap. Some of us can't, but not to worry. Calorie wise, butter, Parmesan, cream, up to you. Somebody's going to complain about a heart attack, but you know, a fantastic dish once in a while. Oh, come on. And of course you can use less butter, use less cream, up to you. Get some colour on your chicken. Come on. Just see if you can get a bit of colour all the way around your chicken. This is the only time you're going to get the colour on. And it looks nice, doesn't it, with a little bit of brown on there, a little bit of tinge, a little bit of golden edges. Obviously don't overcook your chicken. I think that's looking good enough for me. We're going to get that out of there, and that's going in a bowl. That's just going to sit on the side while we carry on. In here we have got this. Everybody says it's flavour. It's not. If you're making a creamy sauce, it's rubbish. Okay, so take that out of there. And it's not hard, look. Just scrape it all to one side. Now you're not going to get it all out, obviously. It should be here forever. But just scrape it all to one side. That's all the bits off the chicken. We don't want that. Look, there you go. What's left in there, don't worry about it. Now you decide if you've got enough butter in your sauce. You know, we're making a butter sauce, so we're going to go in with a bit more. Little one of those, in with your garlic. Flame not high. Only 30 seconds on this garlic max. And it is maximum. Try not to brown it. So all that butter's infused. I can smell that rawness coming out of there. Fantastic. Don't season with salt. In there, cream. As much cream as you like. About that much. A cup. Nice, steady, warm that cream through. Season to taste. Now you can taste this, and I will guarantee that it's already got the salt in there from the chicken, so we probably don't have to salt it, and I'm not going to actually. We are going in there with a little bit of pepper and salt, obviously to choice. Now you can go in here with some chili flakes, anything like that. Any seasoning of choice, but this really is a creamy butter Parmesan sauce, so it doesn't want to be overpowered by a lot of other things. So we got that cream in there, and now we're just going to add our Parmesan. Parmesan in, stir it in. Now this is going to start to thicken with the Parmesan. We don't want it too thick, so just watch how you go. So back in there with your chicken and any juices. That's nice and straightforward. Give it a little stir in. Fabulous. And we're going to take our pasta straight from here to there. This is what I call draining. Straight out of here into here. And if you get some pasta water, so be it. Fabulous. And just give it a little turning in. And that's dinner served. Look at that. Creamy pasta, chicken, garlic, butter. Oh man, that is incredible. Look at that. Beautiful. So you can cook it down longer if you so wish. The pasta will start to thicken this up with the starches that are still left on that pasta. But you know, we want a bowl full of sauce, pasta and chicken. So it's entirely up to you. You cook it down as far as you like. I think that's about ready to serve. Some of that lovely chicken on there. Oh, come on. Just a little bit of Parmesan on there. A little bit of basil. There we have it. That is our creamy garlic butter chicken pasta made. That is sensational. Look at that. Come on. Look at this. Look how easy this chicken is. Look at that. Come on, pan fried chicken. Oh, that is amazing. Straight through here. Straight in here. Let's have a taste of this pasta. Oh, I've got the basil, but not to worry. That is delightful. Well, come on. We know what it is. It's buttery. It's creamy. It's got Parmesan in. It's delicious. Now that is one of those really simple, uncomplicated dishes to make. Less than 30 minutes on the table. I mean, it's bursting with flavour. And obviously you can change it up. And don't forget, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this creamy garlic butter chicken pasta. It's delicious. Fantastic 30-minute meal on the table. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video.